Is it recording you?
I don't know.
You gotta look at it.
Come to Scripps Chula. You're recording the back. You have it backwards.
Oh, I do? Oh, okay.
There it goes. Now you're recording.
Okay.
Hell job. Hell job. Welcome to Scripps Mercy Chula Vista,
Yep.
where nobody wants to be except for the homeless patients.
Everybody wants to live there.
People that are getting
Forever.
paid can't wait to leave. Nope. And Petey here, of course.
Yeah.
That's super vitals here. Oh, Pee in this fancy car.
I know, I just wanted to test it.